What if you could save 3 hours every day without working harder? In this video, I'll show you how to build a daily AI-powered workflow that plans your day, writes for you, and keeps you productive, automatically. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where we simplify tech, AI, and productivity, so you can work smarter, stay secure, and achieve more with less effort. Step 1. Start your morning with Notion AI. Use it to create your daily planner. Simply type, "Generate a task plan for my Monday based on meetings and goals." Notion AI will build a personalized checklist and even prioritize what matters most. Step 2. Let Zapier do your boring tasks. You can connect your favorite apps, like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and Notion, to automate repetitive actions. Imagine getting your meeting notes, emails, and reminders synced automatically while you focus on deep work. Step 3. Manage your time with Clockify. Start a timer whenever you begin a new task. By the end of the week, Clockify will show exactly where your time went, helping you remove distractions and optimize your focus. Step 4. Supercharge your writing with ChatGPT. Use it to draft emails, summarize notes, or brainstorm ideas. Instead of typing for hours, just give it context, like, write a short follow-up email after a meeting. ChatGPT handles the rest. Step 5. Use Otter.ai to record meetings or voice memos. It automatically transcribes and summarizes your conversations, so you never miss details. This is perfect for creators, freelancers, and remote teams who want instant notes without typing. Now that you have your workflow, connect all your tools. Let Notion store your goals, Clockify track your time, ChatGPT write your content, Otter handle meetings, and Zapier glue everything together. Once it's automated, your day runs on autopilot. Let's recap your AI-powered workflow. Notion AI. Plan your day. Zapier. Automate tasks. Clockify. Track time ChatGPT. Write faster Otter.ai. Record everything. Subscribe to Smart Tech Lab for more weekly tips on AI tools, productivity hacks, and cybersecurity insights.